We are going to be looking at how to calculate acceleration of a moving particle. This is the lesson 2 of our series on equation of motion. We are going to be looking at 3 particular practice questions to help us understand the calculation of acceleration. So we're going to handle each of these questions one by one. So let's go to the first question. A car increases its speed from 5 meters per second to 15 meters per second in 5 seconds. Calculate its acceleration. Now, we are going to use the first equation of motion, which is V equals to U plus AT. So we rearrange it and make a sort of formula. So we have this here. So if you rearrange that, then you have this as, so acceleration is increase in velocity as time increases, or increase in velocity per unit time. So let's put the parameter. A stands for acceleration, V is the final velocity. So the car increases speed from 5 meters per second to 15 meters per second. So the initial speed is 5 meters per second. Then how long did it take to increase the speed from 5 to 15? 5 seconds. So substituting, you have increase in velocity is 10, while the time taken is 5. So acceleration is 2 meters per second square. So let's illustrate this with a velocity time graph. So the car started moving from, so the initial velocity here, U, 5 meters per second, and then the final velocity, V, 15 meters per second. So you can now look on this vertical point here, from here to here. So here you have the delta V, which is equal to V minus U, which is the same thing as 15 take away 5 to give us 10 meters per second. And then from here to here, you look at the time, how long it took, which is 5 seconds. So from here, so the time delta T is equal to 5 seconds. So from this point up to this point here. So you can find the acceleration, which is equal to delta V over T. So which is 10 over 5, which is 2 meters per second square. Okay. Question 2. A train accelerates from 20 meters per second to 40 meters per second in 10 seconds. What is the acceleration? Great. So you use the formula. Acceleration is equal to delta V over T. So where A, the final velocity is 40 meters per second, but the train started moving with 20 meters per second, and then it moved for 10 seconds. So substituting, acceleration is 2 meters per second. So let's illustrate that in the velocity time graph. So that is what you have there. So in 10 seconds, the speed of the train increased from 20 meters per second to 40 meters per second. So you have your delta V, which is 20 from here to here. So that is your delta V, which is 20. So divide by how long did it take to increase the speed, which is 10 seconds. So you have that, 10 seconds. So let's look at the third question. A skate border goes from 3 meter per second to 9 meter per second in 2 seconds. Calculate the acceleration of the skateboarder. So we have our formula. Acceleration is equal to increase in velocity divided by time. So now we become, so substituting, we have 9 take away 3 to give us 6, increase in velocity divided by the time of 2 seconds. So the acceleration is 3 meter per second square. So let's illustrate that on the VT graph. So the speed increased from 3 meter per second. So you see it here, increased from 3 meter per second to 9 meter per second in 2 seconds. So subscribe to Super Easy Physics and Mathematics. Thank you for coming to learn about how to